There are several things that can get you into trouble with new construction. One is if you don't have a builder that's reputable, or maybe doesn't have the experience, sometimes you're asked to give a rather large deposit to start your home, and sometimes that can be as much as 20%, which is essentially your down payment on your new house. So that could be $80,000. I have experienced builders that took deposits and left the state with the money. That has happened. So, you do have to be very careful, make sure their bonds are in place. Understanding the bond and the bond process and how that works, one of the requirements that the state has is that a builder be bonded. Well, the bond is only $20,000. If you're giving the builder $80,000, that $20,000 is a fraction. So,
Okay.
yes.
So for those that might not be in real estate or construction, can you explain what a bond is?
A bond is something that the builder has to purchase. It's usually an insurance policy, and they pay a fraction of that bond. So in the state, the bond is $20,000. I think we pay about $800 a year for the bond. And then if something like that happens, the builder leaves the state and kind of leaves everybody high and dry, or if the builder dies, that bond is in place to be able to pay back any monies that were given to him. But like I said, 20,000 is a drop in the bucket.
Yeah.
So,
especially when you're talking about putting down that kind of money.
My suggestion is, if you can, to go over 5% of a deposit, and do it incrementally.
Yep.
That would be the safest way to go. But you can ask people, like, when you ask, builders always get, well, not always, some of them do it cash out of their own pocket, but they get a construction loan. And usually they'll get their construction loan from like First National Bank, Alaska, or North Rim. And you can ask them who their interim lender is. You can call the interim lender. You can have a conversation with them. How many houses have you built with them? Do they pay their bills on time and all of that? And the banker will really help you, give you a lot of good information.